It's just simple ignorance. There are people that are going to get high, whether it's from weed or whatever. That's what they're going to do. I'm talking patients trying to get better from their medical problems that are not having success in other ways. I think doctors not telling you because they don't know themselves. It's just not taught in medical school. It's not taught in residency. The basics are huge because just like any medication, you need to understand on at least a basic level of how it works in the body. CBD can help in almost anything because it balances all of our body systems. So that's one way it helps pretty much everything. They will have a good foundation on what CBD is. And not just CBD, but the other cannabinoids, the terpenes, and how they work. Revolutionary, it's so much better, so much safer, and people need to know about it. The providers for sure need to know about it.